Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this overlapping text effect in PowerPoint in just 4 minutes. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use. So be sure to first of all subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing free videos with free templates in the link in the descriptions like these. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up a blank slide and remove everything from it. Next, what we're going to do is into the text box and you're going to write the first letter of your text of your word. So let's give it Arial black font, increase its size and put it into the middle. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and then you're going to customize your second alphabet and duplicate it again, and similarly you're going to change the alphabet over and over again. So the letter I am using is overlapping, and let me just duplicate this text box once more, and that's just the shortcut key for duplicating is Ctrl plus D for Windows or Mac. Next, you're gonna select all of them, go to align and click on distribute horizontally and then distribute vertically. But as you can see, there are still spaces that are not equal, so we'll just make them equal manually. Let's put them super close while holding shift. And here you go. The next thing you're going to do is select all of them, go to format shape. First of all, group them and then put them into the middle and go to format shape. And next what you're going to do is go to text options, go to take shadow and give it default number shadow and increase its size and also increase its blur rate. Next, what we're gonna do is close the format background. And this is how our text box look like. Now it is time to move them more closer so that they really look like overlapping. So we're gonna put A right on L and then P and then P again. And then I goes right next to the P on top of it, and then N goes onto I, and G goes onto N. So select all of them and give them the fill of white. Group them and then put them into the middle of your slide. Go to format background and change the background's color. I can use yellow, but it doesn't look nice, so I'll just use red. Now what we're going to do is starting from the end of the letter, what we're going to do is just reposition them, and then we're going to start from the last letter and then send it to the back, and then for the second letter send them to the front. And similarly, we're gonna send all of the remaining alphabets to the front. So let's send A to the front and L to the front as well. R, E, V, and O also goes into the front. Be sure to send them in the extreme front. So here you go. So this is how we made this template, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use and then customize as well. You can also check out my Patreon link in the description and my Pinterest account link. I have given the link to the my best videos in the description. You can check them out to get more free templates like these. Until then, goodbye. Let's see you in another video soon.